June's Whiff Box has arrived, and you know we had to unbox it. So let's get right to it. This box is giving me travel vibes, adventure vibes. It's so good. But let's start with this exclusive mini fan diffuser, cheetah print, which is not available on the website, just in this box. So as you can see, it does have a USB cord, and yes, it does come included. You just plug it in and the fan starts working. And now, of course, with the mini fan diffuser, you do need your pods, which are also included in this box. And it does come in a 2-pack. You simply just take one out, place it on top, plug it in, and you're all set. Those little beads inside will work its magic and let that freshness out. Our third item in this box is the room spray. These are so perfect for small spaces. And my favorite are Travel Twist. This one is in Blue Grotto. Let's open it up. And these are so simple to use. You literally just twist it. It's a little tough. It's a little tough. There you go. So you just open it, depending on how much scent you want it to release. Perfect for like closets, lockers, things like that. And of course, we can't forget about the wax bars. This box does come with 2 wax bars. This one is Mango Cha-Cha. Amazing. This box is available only for this month.